Hey y'all, today we are on Windows 11 Google Chrome and we're taking a look at how to get the YouTube app. Let's get into it. So this will be a pretty quick video. To get started, you do need to be on youtube.com. You do need to have it open on Google Chrome. This will work on Windows 10, Windows 11, Mac OS. So what you are going to want to do is come up to the top right to the three dots, select that, come down to Cast, Save, and Share, and select Install YouTube. You'll get an option up here. Go ahead and select Install. And now YouTube has opened up in its own window right here. You can see there's no search bar. We do have a YouTube icon at the bottom. If we close out of Chrome, we do also have the desktop icon. And then if we come to our applications that are installed on our computer, we will have YouTube down here. So this can be removed just like a normal application. You can see it's made by Chrome, and that should be it. You now have the YouTube application. Let me know if this video helped. Leave a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.